Hello guys, from today we are going to start a new section, that is a concurrency control techniques. We have already seen some problems related with the concurrency, that was phantom read problem, dirty read problem, uncommitted read problem, write problem. So there were lots of problems there. So to handle that problems in concurrency, we have some techniques. So we will just take it's not just an introduction video, and this video will help you how we are going to proceed in this section. So please don't skip this video, otherwise you will be very confused in the further videos. So guys, please watch complete video. So to avoid problems related to concurrency, we have to apply some protocols, that means some rules on transactions. Okay guys, so these are the different protocols which we will study in the upcoming videos. The first protocol is lock based protocol, second is timestamp based protocol, third is validation based protocols, then the next is multiversion concurrency control protocols, and the last is graph based protocols. So guys, please refer your syllabus, because all of these protocols are not completely in one syllabus. Maybe you have 3 protocols, maybe you have these 3 protocols, maybe you have 4 protocols. So please refer your syllabus. Okay guys, now suppose if I've started the lock based protocols, then how I am going to proceed? So this lock based protocol consists some topics. Like the first topic will be granularity of locks. Okay guys, the granularity of locks says ki on which I'm going to put locks. Okay, so we will study in the granularity of locks. Then I'm going to study the types of locks. Just see, types of locks. I'm not talking about the types of lock based protocol. It's just types of locks, the locks which are going to be used for making the lock based protocols is known as the types of locks. So okay guys, so we will see two locks there. Then how we are going to use that locks there, we will also see that. Then in the next video we will do the types of lock based protocols. What are the different lock based protocols? We will study that. These are the two, basically the locking protocols, and the second is the two-phase locking protocols and their types. When we are doing the locking protocols, we will see some examples as well as their advantages and disadvantages, and why we move to the two-phase locking protocols we will see there. Okay guys, then we will do this two-phase locking protocols, and we have some different types of two-phase locking protocols with their advantages and disadvantages. We will also see that. So this is how we are going to proceed in the upcoming section. We have to do this kind of thing. Then when we start a timestamp based protocol, then it will be done in the same manner. The types of timestamp based protocols, what are their types and what are the advantages and disadvantages, and with example. So guys, this is basically the way we are going to follow this section. If you don't watch this complete video, I'm telling you, you are going to be very confused in the upcoming video. So guys, please make your mind ki this is the way we are handling all this section, and we will do the topic by topic every concept. So guys, get ready with the lock based protocol, where we will just discuss only granularity of locks, 10 types of locks. Some topics are big, some topics are small, but we will discuss one by one. In one video it is not possible for me to discuss the complete lock based protocol, because it's going to be very confusing for you. Okay guys, so get ready with the next video, that is lock based protocols. Okay guys, and our video is helping you. Please guys, like and share this video and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.